If you've been spending the long hot summer of 2018 trying to get a fan at the right price, but seeing the prices go up and up and up, but you've been retro rebuilding, I've got a solution for you, which doesn't cost a bloody thing. Hi guys, hi, it's Ralph here. I've been experimenting. Well, technically I've been stripping and whatever else and retro rebuilding and whatever, but I've got a pile of fans and it's been a very, very hot week. I hope it's calming down a little bit on the weather now. There's a little bit of rain on the way, but it's too warm. And to be honest, the price of fans is ridiculous. Not these fans, desk fans, floor fans, any fans that to try and keep you cool. Any air conditioning units have now just skyrocketed. So I've actually had a solution for that. This is a quick tip for you. If you've got a pile of fans, a couple of tower fans for a PC case, Corsair ones, they're not very good amps to be honest, quite poor, but they are 12 volt fans. Stuff like these are for motherboards, for chips and stuff like that, so another one for a case fan. My solution is as follows. Bolt these together. Make yourself, it doesn't have to be pretty. It's not going to be pretty to be honest. Bolt them all together. All these have got 3 wires anyway on the most of the fans. These have 4. Now obviously they're all 12 volt motors for the fans, so why not just find the 12 volt, which is usually probably the black and the red on here. The yellow and the blue will be control or something on these type. If not, these ones for the Corsair, there's 3 cables coming into it to start with, but 2 of them just need 12 volts in the right direction. Strap them all together, and what I've built is as follows. Now, quick jump cut. Now, I said this wasn't pretty. Now, let's get this out. Let me whoop it out for you. There. Told you it wasn't pretty. 5 case fans. 80mm, no, 120mm case fans. Corsair, air cool, and some really cheap, nasty ones. Now, all I've done is just bolt them on top of each other. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bolt in. It's actually quite a solid thing. Granted, my hot glue, my hot snot work is really very poor, but all wired in, wires go across into here, wire going out of here to a 12 volt socket. And I'll tell you something, it actually bloody works. Power on. This is the wrong way around. Shame, because it looks better that way. But what I'm going to do... Oh, that's really nice. Not the look, the feel. You can't feel this, I'm sorry. But I've put them this way around because they're two the same, they're two the same, and that's a different one. That's fine, that's me. But the red one, blues, underneath the desk is just gonna keep you cool. If you've got a lot of these lying around, then why not? What do I keep catching there? Oh, there's just a fan on there. That's fine. Yeah, what I've got on my setup upstairs, I've got a monitor on a stand to get from IKEA, because I've got an IKEA desk. And that will be raised up as far as I can get, and these will fit straight underneath it. Powered up on 12 volts, and that's going to absolutely cool me down. I won't cool the computer down, but cool me down. So a quick tip, if you've got a lot of disused fans because you've been stripping old computers down, why not? Really, why not? Tie them all together, get yourself 12 volts, and get yourself cool for free. There's my top tip for you. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Patreon, yeah, you know gubbins by now. But thanks for watching. I hope it's a really good tip for you all, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Little quick tip at the end here. Make sure you look at what the amps are. The fan ones I used are higher amp than what these ones were. The 0.09 amp, which is absolutely nothing, and I can run the other ones through 24 volts, make them quicker. These burned out straight away without even trying. So if you're going to do this, make sure you've got better amps if you want to run it faster and run it cooler. Thank you.